Welcome everyone to week 2. This is the agenda. We have, I'd like you to look at the overview and then look at the announcements for week 2. Also look at the learning objectives and the learning activities and make sure you have the readings. Get your readings going. Those are going to be in the midterm exam as well as the week 1 readings. Review the week 2 modules and presentations. These will help you to solidify the material. In the week 2 discussion forum, we're going to be looking at opioid addiction. And I do have some interesting extra materials in the announcements area. You'll be looking also at dreams and interpretations of dreams. Make sure you look at the announcements for any extra material on that. And then you might want to attend the Keiser Live on week 2, which would be Tuesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. That will be a midterm exam review. Those are live and you can ask questions and interact with me. Then you would take your midterm exam. It opens on Thursday morning, just after midnight Wednesday night, and it will close Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. The midterm exam review sheet is in the Getting Started area. You'd go to Course Resources and then look under Important Course Documentation. I will post your grades for week 1 by Tuesday of week 2 at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. And you can click on the numerical grade to see the grade feedback that I've written to you specifically. In some cases, I do an audio feedback or even a video feedback. Those are rarely done. Then if you have questions of a general nature, post them and ask questions. If you have more personal inquiry, please send me an email and I will respond within 24 hours. Here are some of the optional resources for pain interpretation, which can be the source of addiction, particularly with opiates. And then there's more on how addiction starts and opioid replacement therapy. And then there are some psychedelic options that are being explored. So that is week 2. I hope you have fun with this. Most of my students are really intrigued by this topic.